Hello guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to use notes in your AI agent on SigmaMind AI. When you open this agent builder, you can see the start trigger is by default appear on our screen. So from here actually the agent will be initiated. In trigger event I have selected the conversation started. Now let's move to the response node. So in response node, from here when you click on this, you can change the name of response node here. You can keep your response in a static mode or also as well prompt. So in static mode, if you want to send some specific message and you don't want to change anything from that message, then you can keep your response in a static mode and then AI will not change anything from that message. In prompt node, you can actually give the instructions to AI. Let's say if you want to keep the tone friendly, you can define here and then AI will follow the instructions. Here you can see the add functions. We have three options here: tool action, voice action, and extract variable. So later I am going to explain all these nodes, how you can use them in your AI agent. Next, wait node. So wait node actually help you to pause your AI before continuing the flow. So here you can define if you want to send the message after 30 minutes, then AI will respond after 30 minutes. In event, make sure you have selected the conversation customer message received. Then AI will wait for some time. Once the customer receive the message and respond to that message, then AI will continue the flow. Next one is the analyze customer message. Actually, this node help to analyze the customer intent. On the basis of message, you can define here what actually the customer want. Let's say we make an agent for offering discount before canceling the order. Here you can define customer is ready to get 30% discount. Then send this message, congratulations. And in else part, you can add some other response here. If customer is not ready to get 30% discount and say I want to cancel my order, then you can respond with okay, I will cancel your order. So based on the customer message, AI will respond. So you can connect this node here. Now next one is branch node. In branch node, you can see we can give the conditions in two ways: in static and expression. In static, you can see if there is and or conditions. You can select any conditions from here. So here you can see we have pre-built condition. You can use them. When you click on this expression, you can give the JavaScript expression here. So let's say I am giving this condition here to check channel. If channel is email, channel is chat, channel is contact form, and move to the next step. After this start trigger, I am adding this branch node and then go to the analyze customer message node. So from here, if first AI will check the channel. If channel is any one of them from email, chat, phone, or contact form, then AI will go to the next node to analyze the customer message, and then based on the intent generation, AI will respond. Next one is jump node. So here we don't need to connect the jump node with any of the nodes. Let's say if customer is asking to transfer the call. So to transfer the call, then in this case you have to select this voice action from here, and using this voice action we can transfer the call to a human agent. If the customer is asking transfer the call to a human agent, then we have to connect this node with this. Here when you click on the action, you can see we have two options in voice action: voice transfer call and voice end call. If we are selecting this voice transfer call, here we just need to give the number of a agent to transfer the call and just connect this jump node with voice AI action. And then whenever the customer will ask to transfer the call to a agent, then AI will transfer the call on this number. So in this way you can use transfer call action. Let's say if the customer is saying please end the call, then here we can select this voice end call option and the AI agent will end the call. Next one is Helpdesk Action. So this node actually you can use if you have integrated any help desk to SigmaMind AI like Gorgias, Zendesk. So if we have integrated any help desk here, we can select any one of them. Let's say I am selecting here ticket snooze. So here we can select for how much time we want to snooze the ticket. But this node you can only use if you have integrated any help desk system to your SigmaMind AI. So next one is tool action. So from tool action, if you have an integrated any app to the SigmaMind AI, you can use here. I have already integrated the HubSpot API. I have that option. In select action, I have already added the action get customer list. So here I have set the token as a variable. Here I need to give my HubSpot token here. Then I can connect this node after start trigger. Then AI will fetch all the customer list from the HubSpot, and then I can add this with response node. Then AI will send response with all the customer whoever is present in our HubSpot. Next one is extract variable. So here in extract variable, you can define any variable in curly braces. Let's say I'm saying the name. I'm defining it under curly braces, and this will be my variable. And if I needed this variable, I can use it anywhere in my AI agent. So this is how you can use notes in your SigmaMind AI agent.